Hello friends, in today's lesson we will talk about sentence pairs. For example, first part is you can speak, and then when we negate it, we say you cannot speak. I will speak quickly in Kashmiri and you repeat after me. Let's get started. Tseheka kat karit. Tseheka kat karit. Tsehekak na kat karit. Tsehekak na kat karit. Aise paise shan karun. Aise paise shan karun. Aise paise na shan karun. Aise paise na shan karun. Amis paise gindun. Amis paise gindun. Amis paise na gindun. Amis paise na gindun. For this sentence, also remember that sometimes you may use humis instead of amis. It all depends if the person you are speaking about is near to you or far away from you. Let's continue. Sachnaschu gindun tagan. Sachnaschu gindun tagan. Sachnas chuna gindun tagan. Sachnas chuna gindun tagan. Me paise natsun. Me paise natsun. Me paise na natsun. Me paise na natsun. Behekkenetsit. 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 Let's have a quick summary of the verbs that we have used in today's lesson. Number first is hakun. Hakun means to be able to or to can. In this lesson, we conjugated hakun as behek and behekken. Behek is the positive conjugation, behekken is the negative conjugation. Then we talked about chu. Chu means is, and positive is chu, negative is chun. Tagun. Tagun is be able to accomplish. And when we say chetagi, it means you can. Or when we say chetagin, it means you cannot. And then there is one more which we did not talk in today's lesson, but I think it will come handy for you. It is pazun. Chepazi, you should. Chepazin, you should not. That was it. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.